Hello everyone, welcome back to this Microsoft Excel tutorial journey with me on my Knowledge Factor YouTube channel. This is our 43rd session on this journey, and the next type of object that you can insert inside of Microsoft Excel is a shape. So now there are all sort of shapes, right? You have got basic shapes like ovals, rectangles, triangles, all sorts of them, right? And you got some more complex shapes, things like arrows, block arrows, smiley faces, right? It got all sort of shapes that you can then add into your Excel worksheets. Now, for me personally, I like formatting. I like changing colors. I like things to, pop out. We don't want to go overboard on the formatting to make everything formatted, right? Because then it's kind of hard to tell really what you want the user to look at. This is really where a shape comes into play. We want to use shapes to help add to the content, add to the message, right? We don't go overboard with them because then it's just all over the place. And but add to it, as an example, I'm going to use a block arrow just to draw attention to this 59.95%, right? That's more than half my monthly budget is spent away on rent. So I want to point that out really. I say, look at that number right there, right? And just that little block arrow to point to it. So answering the shape, super simple to do. Take a look. I'm going to go to my insert tab here and back to the illustration section. We saw this earlier and we have got shapes, right? So I'll give shapes a click and get all sorts of shapes to pull from. And you got you know the basic shapes, the block arrows, equation shapes, flowcharts, stars and banners. So all sort of little goodies in there for you to use. Now for me personally, I'm going to go to the block arrows here, and I'm going to grab the second little block, this one, of the arrow to the left. I'll give that a click. I'm going to hop over here just next to the 59.95%. So I have just done the left click and drag just to create that shape, and I can move it around. If that is the point right there, just to draw attention to it, this is my shape. I'll just make it a little bit appropriate. So, well, what are we looking at? 59.95%. Well, it's like, what? 59.95% just on rents? That's the motto, right? The user should actually see this as a point of concern, right? Let's draw attention to it. So try this out. Like I said, really simple to do. Insert shapes. You got a lot of them to pull them from, right? You can use the arrow. You try something else like little smiley face there. I like smiley face. Maybe I'll put a smiley face over here too. So there we go. I'll go to the insert, illustration, shapes. I mean, it changed the color of that guy, so it doesn't blend into the back, but we'll take a look at that next. So first throw shape in there, throw two shapes in there, right? Try it out, an arrow or a smiley face, whatever you want to try, but just grab a shape and pull it into your worksheet. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and as I always say, if you really liked it and enjoying this journey, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel, and also press the bell icon to get the latest content update on this channel. Alright then, we'll meet up in the next session. In case you have any questions, any concerns, then do let me know in comment section of this video. Till the time, goodbye and take care.